the birth of finish lines, Ford has been uniting quality and innovation to build the legends that cross them. The legacy lives on today, and it's an experience we share through every Ford Performance Parts product. If you're looking for a simple way to enhance the performance of your Mustang and extend the life of its engine, the Ford Performance Oil Air Separator is the next part you need under the hood. One of the unique features of this oil air separator is that it's not just another universal fit kit. This oil separator was made with your Mustang GT, Boss 302, or F-150 in mind. It's a direct fit component designed specifically for the following make and models: 2011 through 2017 Mustang GT, 2012 through 2013 Boss 302, 2011 through 2014 F-150, and 2015 to 2018 Shelby GT350 engines. It comes with OE hoses, mounts in the OE location, and since it's a Ford Performance part, it's made to blend in with the rest of your Ford engine components, both functionally and aesthetically. It's a trouble-free upgrade that's practical for both casual and competitive applications, and it performs well with or without stock engine. Here's what an air oil separator does. An escape mixture of air and fuel is called blow-by. Blow-by is inherent in modern engines. When excessive amounts of this mixture escapes into the crankcase and is recirculated back into the intake manifold and combustion chamber, this can lower the fuel quality mixture and ultimately contribute to detonation occurring. This excessive blow-by is especially common on engines which have had the PCM calibration modified, or when the customer uses the vehicle on track. When you add an oil air separator, you're adding a filter system that separates the air from the oil. Instead of collecting in the intake manifold and combustion chamber, oil is trapped in the separator's catch cam by wicking through a unique media surface, and gases are routed into the intake and are harmlessly burned off. Draining this oil air separator is super easy, and you can do it when you change your oil. Just pop out the two push pins on the side, remove the separator, and tilt from the lower fitting. Subtle, attractive, and practical, there's a reason why this oil air separator ranks high among the top-selling items at Ford Performance Parts. By reducing the amount of blow-by introduced into your engine, you're extending its overall lifespan while ensuring that it functions as efficiently as possible. For a walkthrough of this 5-step installation process, visit the Oil Air Separator page on the Ford Performance Parts website. Oil air separators are engineered and manufactured in the USA. You can keep the oil out of your intake and get a cleaner combustion chamber for your Mustang or F-150. Subscribe to the Ford Performance YouTube channel so we can send more informative videos like this one your way. To learn more about this or any other Ford Performance Parts product, visit our website at performanceparts.ford.com or call our tech line to speak with one of our product experts, 800-367-3788. Click on Dealers, Dealer Directory to find a Ford Performance Parts dealer near you. No matter what type of enthusiast or racing applications, Ford Performance has the premium quality factory engineered parts to fuel your passion.